All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. So genes, genes, genes. Let's try and get a picture. Yes, genes. There we are. Very good. Genes. The way we are made. Our DNA that defines who we are and what traits we have. Yes. So the genes, yeah. We have strong family genes. Okay. His genes are unique. Your genes are amazing. His genes were not very strong. Yeah. Yeah. Her genes have a her gene. Okay. She shares a lot of her genes with her grandparents. Makes sense. How cool is that? It is the genes, it is the genetic makeup of humans. Yeah, these are the basic genes that all humans have. They are common genes that we all share. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. His genes are different. His genes are different. My genes are unique. Makes sense. He had to make do with his own genes. So you are given the genes that you're given at birth. And have to make do with them. That's it. How cool is that? I'm learning all about the genetics and genes. So the more that scientists know about genes, the better. Yeah. The better anything, the better the technology can become. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Our family genes will last for a long time. Yeah. So these genes will anything. These genes will help me be more disciplined. So my genes push me to be more organized. Yeah, I'm organized because my genes, how industrious and conscientious I am. My genes push me, my genes help me to be more industrious. Yeah, industrious. Yeah, and create things, to create and do things. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Genes, yeah, or the DNA, yeah. So, can you use genes in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? Yeah, and like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come, and you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.